Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miz Sandy, and today I'm just going to show you how I achieved the spring twist that is used for passion twist using a Brazilian wool. If this is something that you would love to watch, just keep on watching and do make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. That is right after watching it actually. And yeah, thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. Without further ado, let's move on to how I achieved this cause. So the very first thing you need to do, you need your straws, you need your bobby pins, and of course we need our Brazilian wool. That is the new Brazilian wool actually. So I'm basically gonna take out the required amount that I want, and this is about 10 inches. So basically you need to stretch that out before we start coiling. So like I said, this is 10 inches on fold, and right after stretching that out, obviously it came about 14 inches. So yeah, I'm basically gonna be taking out in portions just to start coiling, that is to start wrapping with my straw. So you want to make sure that you comb that first, and then before we start using the straw, you have to twist, like the part that is for the loop, you have to twist it very well before you place your straw underneath it. And right after that, we're just gonna pass that like so, and then create like a turn, and then we start rolling, like moving your hand like so, like you're doing like a wrap kind of method. And do make sure to like handle the straw like with ease, because if you grab it with so much tension, you'll notice that the straw would start should I say breaking into, not breaking actually, but then again you'll be able to use the straw to twist, because most people actually complains that the straw is actually soft, but if you tend to hold it like very softly, you'd be able to do this very well. Like it's not necessary that the straw has to be very strong, just make sure that you hold it very soft and don't put too much pressure on the straw when you're wrapping, and that'll be just pretty much fine. And afterwards you use your bobby pin to just secure that like so. So that's basically it. I'm just going to show you how to do this one more time, and so that you can basically understand it better. So like I said, you need to create a twist first before placing your straw underneath it, and then right after doing that, you just twist your hand like so, and then create a turning, and then afterwards we just start wrapping. I'm actually comfortable using my right hand for the wrap method, so that is basically why I had to shift it to the other side. So like I said, you just make sure that you handle this. You can see the issue I was having at this point, like the pressure was quite hard, so that is the reason why it was like breaking like so. So you just need to handle it like very, very softly, and then you just be pretty much fine with the whole method. So right after doing that, you want to make sure that while you're wrapping your hand, you're also like creating a twist with your hand. I don't know if you understand it, but that's just basically much how I achieved this. And like they said, practice makes perfect. So if you just try this method, you'll be able to get this very well. And also, one thing I like about this is because the fact that I was able to achieve this using the Brazilian wool, like it's very, very, very budget friendly. And yeah, most of you know that this spring twist, you can use it for passion twist, and also you can also use it for distress locks. Yeah, so that's just the reason for this tutorial. And also for those that can't really afford to buy the attachment that is quite expensive in the market. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you watch this and pretty much understand how this is done. And also, if you haven't given this video a huge thumbs up, please do make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. I'm just gonna let you guys watch this video. And also here I just had to use another, like the same straw for the second one. This is just for those that don't really have enough straw, and then they're like, okay, let me just call this one, and then I'll wait for when it's done, and then I'll use the same straw to like recoil the same braiding hair. You don't have to do that. You can use one straw, and you can use one straw for two actually. So that's pretty much why I had to show this part. So yeah. So I just did few pieces just to like show you guys. So right after that, right after you're done with all the whole curls and like remaking them, you need to put your hot water in a bowl, and then you can use any kind of conditioner for this. And right after that, I used a mega perfective growth oil, not really a growth oil, yeah, but you know, I just like the fact that this has a silky kind of feeling, so it's actually good for the previous ones that I have actually done. So that is the reason why I use it. So yeah, right after that, you leave it for 5 minutes before taking it out, and then afterwards you're just gonna let this air dry on its own. So yeah, I'm basically just tapping the water out of it, just like, you know, drying it, and then afterwards you leave it to air dry on its own. I left this for like about a day because I wanted it to like I wanted the coils like to be well pronounced. So that's the reason why. So right after doing that, I'm just basically taking out the coils just to show you guys how this is. And the amazing part about this, you can actually pre-curl this and just sell this. Yes, I'm gonna be showing you how you can package this. You can put like normally for an extension, some people actually have like 10 pieces for a pack or 12 pieces for a pack, depending on what you want to do. Or you can just do for a full head, like should I say 60 pieces for a full head, and then just put it inside the nylon. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how you can actually pack this and also sell them. So yeah, just keep on watching. So yeah, I got this thread from a previous weave on that I had. So you can actually use any kind of thread, just use something attractive, or you can use a bow tie. When I mean use any kind of thread, I don't mean any kind of thread actually. They have some very thick threads that are shining. Use something that is very attractive because this is something you're selling anyways. So yeah, this is basically how to do it. You just pass it through the loops and you're pretty much fine to go. Yes, you can sell this. This is actually nice. Like, trust me, if you want to see a video on how I use this to do the passion twist or the distress lock, let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely do a video on that. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys. I love you. See you on my next video. Bye.